We'll guide you through how to upload files, pictures, or videos to Google Drive and then share the link to whether public or whether a specific person. So this should be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. So without further ado, let's get started with this video. So first of all, we need to access Google Drive. Now there are multiple ways on how you can access that. So for example, if you're already on your Gmail account, what you can do is just click on this dots right here, which shows the Google apps. So it has all the Google apps right here. So all you have to do is just click on this drive right here and it will open up your Google Drive. Something else what you can do here is just write drive.google.com and that should take you to the drive as well, provided that you're already logged in to a Gmail account. So if you want to learn more about Google Drive or you want to start a new Gmail account, you can check out the playlist link in the description where I have shared all the tips and techniques about that. So here we are just taking an example of an existing account. So first of all, to upload some of the files, I want to arrange things properly. So what I'll do is just click on this new button right here and we have the choice to either you can directly upload the file, folders, or whatever. But if you want to just create a new folder within the Google Drive, you can just click new folder here and right here, my files to share. Let's mention it like that. Click on create. And then if you want to further arrange that, you can just go in that particular folder, just right click here and click on new folder. So you can create subfolders as well. So let's say folder A, just like that. And let's create, and you can obviously insert multiple folders like this. Now we will take two examples where we will upload a file first, just separate files. And then we will take an example if you have a particular folder which has multiple files and you don't want to compress it, then upload, you can simply upload a complete folder here as well. So let's see the first example in which we are just loading a file. Click on new here and click on file upload. And from here, let's click on the downloads here. And let's say I want to upload this picture right here, which is a PNG file. And there you can see that the file is uploaded. Now in the second example where I have a folder which has multiple files in here. So how we can upload it directly without even compressing that. So we can upload a complete folder. All you have to do is just click on this new button right here and click on folder upload. And now you can choose that folder and we can just click on upload. So it has multiple files. Only do this if you trust the site. So this is showing some message here. Click on upload. Now, since these are some short videos, it might take some time to upload, and it's showing all the process right here. So it's 2 of 30. Let me just quickly complete it and then show you the further process. And now guys, as you can see, our complete folder is uploaded along with all the 30 files. Now the other method of how you can upload the multiple files, for example, if you go to my files folder and you don't want to keep it in the folder, you need to upload files directly. So the other method that you can use is just you can small down the window and you can open it like this. And after selecting all of these files, you can just drag and drop right here. And it should upload all the files. It's asking you that if you want to replace the existing files, in case of some duplicate files, you can replace the existing files as well and click on upload. And this is how you do it. And now once all the files are loaded, you can just go to the home tab and see all of the documents, or otherwise, if you don't see it here, you can just go to the My Drive and you can obviously click on whatever folder that you have created to put all the files in here. Now, if you want to share a particular file or a folder to, let's say, public, or let's say to a friend, what you can do is just right click on that particular file or folder, click on share and click on share here. Now, if you want to add some people, groups, or specific persons that you want to share it to, you can mention it here. So for example, like this, you can mention their email and then they should have the access to it. So it will notify the person. You can put a message here that I have given you access to this file. You can view that. So you can choose whether there will be a viewer or commenter or whatever. But if you want to share it to public, to lots of people, what you can do it here is give the journal access. not the specific one, but the journal access. And from here on the restricted, you can change it to anyone with the link, because in the restricted form, they will have the access to the link, but when they click on it, it will ask for your verification to let them in. So they will be waiting for you to respond. So instead, what you can do, if you're not available to do that for every single person, you can change it to anyone with this link, and they should be able to download it without any problem. So you can choose whether they will be viewer, editor, or commenter. So I'll change it to viewer, because that way they can just simply download it and not make any changes live to the Google Drive. They can't change the name or something important like that. And after that, just simply copy that link. And now let's try this in an private window. Once we click on here, let's say this is a random user, they will have access to this particular file. They can click on download and they can simply download the file. Let's choose the location and click on save. And as you can see, the link is downloaded. Anyone using this device can download these files. Click on close. Now the same method will be followed for multiple files in a folder. Let's right click here, click on share, and click on share. And we will click on anyone with this link and just simply copy the link and give it to the person you want. So this will be this kind of the link that you can use. So guys, that's pretty much it. This is all about how you can upload files, picture, videos to Google Drive and then share it to public. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell so that you can get notified of all the future videos. This is Saad signing off from today's video. Take care.